Try to use the longest boards in the first row to get the straightest line possible. Set the starter row with its groove facing the furring strip. The first board must be absolutely straight, for it will influence the whole installation. The units must perfectly fit into each other. As soon as possible, use a pneumatic nail gun and 5 cm staples. Nail down the floorboard starter row against the furring strip. Carefully align and tighten each unit. Again, the starter row must be perfectly straight, otherwise the other boards will be crooked. Lay down 6 or 7 rows of units in front of you to blend the lengths and shades together. Remember to offset each floorboard at least 6 inches from the floorboards of the previous row. Tighten the joints of the grooves and extremities. Randomly nail down the strip in 45-degree angles every 10 to 12 inches. Secure all units smaller than 12 inches with at least 2 staples. To limit wood waste when cutting, spread out boards of different lengths in a corner. Use a workbench miter saw to make the cuts. At the outer edges, glue the boards directly onto the subfloor with a wood adhesive. You can complete the installation by putting up baseboards that will conceal the half-inch expansion gap.